Struggling to transfer files between Android and Mac? Android file transfer not working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll tackle common issues and share the best alternative for smooth transfers. Let's get started. Part 1. Possible causes of Android file transfer Mac not working. File transfer off. Faulty USB cable. Compatibility issues. Conflicting apps. Outdated software. USB driver error. Hardware problem. Part 2. Fix Android file transfer not working with 9 quick tricks. Trick 1. Allow USB debugging mode. Enable USB debugging only when needed. It grants high-level access, posing security risks if always on. Use it for debugging or advanced tasks. Trick 2. Utilize another USB cable port. Check USB cable for damage. Replace if faulty. Try a different USB port if issues persist. Trick 3. Clear external storage cache. Open Settings Apps External Storage. Enable Show All Apps if needed. Storage clear data and cache. Trick 4. Enable and disable airplane mode. Swipe down. Tap airplane mode to disable connections. Wait. Then tap again to turn it off. Trick 5. Update Android and macOS. Go to Settings System or About Phone Software Update. Follow prompts to install updates if available. Trick 6. Offload 3rd-party apps. Trick 7. Enable file transfer mode. Swipe down. Tap Charging via USB. Select File Transfer or Media Device. Trick 8. Reinstall Android file transfer. Trick 9. Reboot your phone and Mac. Restart both the Android device and Mac to fix any minor glitches that may be causing the Android file transfer issue. This simple step can resolve runtime errors and other app-related problems. Part 3. Use the best Android file transfer alternative to copy files smoothly. Android file transfer has limited features and compatibility. Try Mobikin Assistant for Android as a better alternative to fix transfer issues on Mac. How to use this Android file transfer alternative to copy files between Android and Mac without interruptions? Step 1. Install and open the program on your Mac. Connect to your Android via USB and enable USB debugging if prompted. Step 2. Select the category, for example, Contacts, from the left panel. Choose Files to transfer and click Export to move them to your Mac. To sync from Mac to Android, click Import. For a full backup, go to Super Toolkit, Backup. Select File Types and click Backup. To restore, use Restore in the future.